Hey, are you ready? Are you ready for some new answers? I'd scratch that. I mean, are you ready for some old answers? Some ancient answers to feeling happy, joy, connected, love, motivated, focused, whatever it is you're looking for, it's here. It's already inside of you. And that's what I want to help you find with YogaPsych. See, most of the time when people think about yoga psychology, what they're really thinking about is adding a little bit of yoga into their psychology. And that is not what we're doing here, because modern psychology has to do with pathology. See, modern psychology says you're mentally ill. You have some kind of chemical imbalance in your brain, and you're depressed, you're anxious, you're bipolar, you're suffering with PTSD, you're an addict. See, modern psychology focuses on what's wrong with you and what's broken about you, where YogaPsych is totally different, because YogaPsych looks at some old answers and helps you find some processes which you can find within you, the parts that are perfect, the parts that are working, the parts that are not broken and never have been broken. That's what I want to teach you. I want to teach you to find you again through YogaPsych. Check us out.